At Kayhan Space, we're building software tools that are making spaceflight safer for satellite operators. We allow satellite operators to put collision avoidance on autopilot. If they have a high-risk event, we provide them with an automatic and autonomous satellite collision avoidance recommendation. On a good day, everybody expects it to work, right? But the problem is that the service should be available on the worst day possible. Unless you have access to almost unlimited resources, it is impossible to guarantee service. That's why we chose to build our service on AWS so we can expand and we can scale up whenever our customers need us most. Being on AWS allows us to guarantee availability to our customers. So it makes it a lot easier for us to deploy services quickly, to test them, to brainstorm, and you have almost unlimited access to any resource that you need globally, and that's just unheard of. Most of our software runs on Amazon EKS. We use Amazon RDS for our databases, Amazon S3 for storage, and Amazon SQS for our messaging and for our queues.